The following is a paid commercial program paid for by Currie Health and Wellness Diagnostic Center. The opinions and views expressed in this program belong to its sponsors and are not those of this station or their affiliates or employees.
Let me ask you something. Have you tried everything under the sun to get help with your chronic low back pain, your sciatica, your spinal stenosis, your hip pain, your neck pain, your leg pain? In other words, is life just passing you by because you can't do what you want to do or be with your loved ones and do what you want to do with them because pain has its grip on you? Do you hate taking those drugs and medications that make you feel like somebody else all the while you're just not getting any better and are just stuck in this pain rut going from one doctor to the next? Well, if I just described you, get a pen and paper ready so you can get your free report I'll be offering at the end of this segment. And right now, you're in for a real treat. I'm Dave Woodman, by the way. I'm here with Dr. Currie from time to time, but seated between us, Dr. John Barbary, and we're very, very pleased to have you in. Dr. Barbary is a retired chiropractor, but guess what, folks? When he was in real pain and need of help, he went to Dr. Currie.
That's right.
And what prompted that? What kind of pain were you enduring at that time, Dr. Barbary?
Low back pain, sciatica, foot pain, knee pain, hip pain.
And you were self-diagnosed, I guess, and said, I've got all this and I need help.
No, I had MRIs, CT scans, and
Really?
it was diagnosed through the VA, Veterans Administration.
Well, tell me briefly why, anybody you could have picked, especially in your profession, you know a lot of chiropractors, but you decided to go to Dr. Keith Currie.
I went to 5 different chiropractors over a period of a few years. No relief. I had back surgery in 2019 by a neurosurgeon with no relief. When I went to Dr. Currie, I was actually crying every night because I could not sleep, could not get any relief. By being a chiropractor, I don't like taking a lot of pain medication because it masks the pain. It don't do anything to help heal the pain. So I was desperate. Didn't have anywhere else to go. I had seen your infomercials with Dr. Currie before. I saw one day and I said, Lord, help me. Send me somewhere that'll help me. So I ended up at Dr. Currie's.
What did you think when a fellow chiropractor walked in your office and said, hi, I'm John Barbary? What was your reaction?
It was a great honor. I mean, for real. I mean, like you said, he could have picked anyone, gone anywhere. He had already done a lot of that. And, you know, had obviously a lot of degenerative disc disease issues in his spine. And that's what we treat and help most people. And I'll tell you, Dave, for me, you know, I remember, you know, I don't show up to work early. I show up, my patients know this, I show up when it's time to open, right?
Absolutely.
And whenever I showed up, he was on the front steps, sitting down, hurting, okay? And this man, I mean, things have just changed so much. It's really awesome to see him. He comes in with a smile on his face, he's standing up. You know, there's a lot of changes. He's doing things in his life, but I'll let him tell you about it. But it's just amazing to hear.
I think you walked with a cane at that time?
Yes, I did.
Couldn't ride your motorcycle?
It's not my motorcycle, it's Nadra's, but I could not ride the motorcycle.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Well, that's a great testimonial, Dr. Barbary, and we are really, really pleased and grateful that you would come in. You avoided the neck and back surgery and you went to the right place, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
There are people out there who are suffering right now from neck pain and back pain and leg pain, just overall pain. They feel terrible. What would you tell them right now?
If you can't get any relief from your pain, see Dr. Currie, because his techniques and what he does will help you. I'm proof of that.
You are proof of that, and thank you so much for coming in. Hey, when a retired chiropractor needed pain relief, he went to see our own Dr. Currie, and his life has been changed. Now, about that report I mentioned, if you're in pain right now, write down that phone number on your screen, call it to request a free report that could start you on the road to reducing or completely alleviating your pain. The report is valued at $19.97.
Hi, I'm Dr. Keith Currie. If you're suffering from severe neck pain, chronic low back pain, hip pain, spinal stenosis, degenerative disc disease, a herniated or a bulging disc, and you don't have any quality of life whatsoever, and you're miserable and you've tried everything, call my office today.